Okay, so in this video, you're going to learn how to do the left lifted increase and the right lifted increase. This is a style of increase that I usually use in most of my patterns alongside the make one right and the make one left. So we're going to start with this one. So you've already learned how to cast on in the other videos. You've learned how to do the knit stitch and the purl stitch. So now we're going to start doing some increases. I have this marker here in the middle because most patterns will tell you to knit to marker and then do your increases. So I'm going to put that there just so that you know where we're increasing. So let's start. The first one you'll be doing is the left lifted increase. So let's knit to that marker together. Okay, so you've knit to the marker. Here's the marker. What we're going to do now is you're going to lift up the left leg here, this leg, hence why it's called the left lifted. I'll try and show you nice and slow. You're going to go underneath with your needle like that. I'll show you again. Like that. So you've got that lifted. That's that left leg there. Now what you're going to do is instead of knitting it normal in the front, like the regular way, you're going to knit into the back part of it, okay? Like this. And there you go. You've increased a stitch. So there was 4 before, and now there's 5. Okay, now you're going to slip that marker, and you're going to do something very similar on the other side. This is the right lifted because you're lifting the right leg of this stitch. So what you're going to do for this one is you're going to do the same thing. You're going to lift up this here. I'll try and do it nice and slow again. You're going to lift this up here. Instead of placing it on the needle, you're going to hold it and you're going to knit it like normal. Like that, while holding it. I often pull here and then you can see it raise. You'll see it more defined as you keep going, so let's continue on. Okay. So you can already kind of see like the slanting. Okay. So I'm just going to purl this other side. You're not going to do any kind of increase on the back side here, nothing like that. So I'm just going to purl so that we can get back to the right side of our work. Slip that marker. Turn your work back, and now we're going to do it again. So let's get into it. Knit to the marker again. So I've knit those 5 stitches. I am back at the marker, and we're going to do it again. It's right here, this guy. You're going to put your needle in, pull it out, knit through the back. Okay, slip that marker and let's do the right lifted again. This one here, right in the middle, that top bar, pull it out, hold it with your thumb and your index finger, drape it over like so. There you go. Normally I do see oftentimes some spacing on the sides. That's pretty normal. I find normally when I block my pieces, that spacing disappears. So there you have it. That is the left lifted increase and the right lifted increase. Thanks for watching.